Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. And let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this one, the beautiful bathing area. You can see the walls, the soap and all the beautiful decoration. And this one also very beautiful. You can see the outside mirror. You can see the floor wooden theme. And this one also the white color theme, wall, floor and all very beautiful decoration, and the mirror also. And this one also very beautiful, the floor, you can see beautiful floor and all. And this one also very beautiful, it's also very beautiful, the black color floor, you can see the roof, you can see, and the sides, wall and all, and the mirror. And this one also you can see the window, the floor and the chair and all, very beautiful decoration, you can see, looking very good, very expensive. And so also you can see the floor, the mirrors and all, very beautiful. And this one the white color lights, you can see blue color, the floor lights, very beautiful lights. And this one also very beautiful, you can see the mirrors and the floor, the bathing area. And this one also you can see the white color theme, the floor, the top and all, very beautiful looking. And this is also the beautiful look, the blue color, the mirror, the lamps and all, and the floor and the walls, wooden theme, the lights are also beautiful. This one also very beautiful, you can see the mirror, the roof lights and the floor. And this is also very beautiful, you can see the silver color walls and all the beautiful, and the roof lights, you can see the floor and all the beautiful decoration. And this is also very beautiful, you can see the wooden color theme floor inside the wall, you can see very beautiful. And this is also very beautiful, you can see the floor, the area you can keep your soap and all. And this is also very beautiful, you can see the mirrors, the side lights and all, and the roof lights, very beautiful lights and all. And this is also very beautiful, you can see the walls and the floor and all, and the roof, very beautiful. So I hope you like. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down, press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.